Are you feeling pressure in your ears? You might be dehydrated. Cardio, strength training, and flexibility matter. This causes discomfort and pressure in your ears. Our bodies need water to function properly. When dehydrated, mucus thins. This impacts the eustachian tubes connecting your throat to your ears. Let's explore why this happens. First, dehydration occurs when you lose more fluids than you take in. Causes include poor diet, hot weather, or sickness. Next, your eustachian tubes help equalize ear pressure. They open when you swallow or yawn. Dehydration causes mucus to thicken. This leads to tubes becoming less flexible. When they don't open properly, you feel fullness or pressure. For solutions, drink plenty of water. Aim for 8 glasses daily. Chew gum or swallow frequently to help open your eustachian tubes. Steam inhalation can also relieve pressure. It moistens the mucus and helps with drainage. In summary, dehydration can cause Eustachian tube dysfunction. It's vital to stay hydrated to keep those tubes working. We hope this video was educational. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the hearing department at Enticare if you have any questions.